Nestled in the hills of St. Francisville, in the quiet neighborhood of Plantation Oaks, sits this beautiful corner, 1-acre lot and refreshed home known as 5078 Live Oak. With more than 2,400 square feet of living area, this home affords 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a rear office with views down the hill of the cul-de-sac Live Oak. The large living room is a showstopper with a magnificent chandelier and custom drapes by Patty Dupree. That theme continues into the dining area with another beautiful chandelier by Patty and tons of natural light from the windows overlooking the yard. In the kitchen, the cabinet color is modern and on trend. The suite of KitchenAid appliances are almost new and perfect for the home chef. For morning coffee or afternoon refreshments, this home offers several options. From the oversized front porch, enjoy the live oak and water feature across the street, or use your imagination in transforming the large side yard that affords great sunsets and stunning views of the row of live oaks along the drive. Sitting just south of town off of Airline Highway, this property is convenient to Baton Rouge and offers a quiet alternative from city life. I'm Shelley Simmons with Elevate Real Estate, and I would love to take you on a tour of this property and share with you the lifestyle of living in St. Francisville.